What is up, everyone? Sometimes side hustles can be more reliable and bring in more income than regular jobs. So in today's video, I'm going to go over the top 7 side hustles that you can start this year from your computer. And don't worry, we aren't going over side hustles and jobs where you fill out 100 surveys for $1. These will be good side hustles you can potentially make thousands of dollars with. If you're new here, I make videos about personal finance and money every week. Smash that like button and let's get started. Number 1 is teaching English online. This has become one of the most popular ways to earn money online because it is so easy to do this with the technology everyone has available to them nowadays. You can do this wherever you want and set your own hours and whenever you want, right? So this will be done through Cambly, and the only requirements are, of course, you have to be able to speak English.
Speak English, son.
Fluently, which you probably do already if you're watching this video, and you also need to have a computer with an online internet connection. You can make up to $10.20 per hour, and again, all you need to know is English. You don't need any sort of certifications or degrees. All you have to do is head over to cambly.com, the tutor section, and click get started to sign up and start making money. You will be connecting with people all around the world, and it's super cool, right? You'll be getting exposed to all these different cultures and also learning yourself and bettering your own communication skills in the process. It's very flexible because when it's nighttime for you, it'll be morning for someone else and vice versa. So you can really set your own hours and do it whenever you want. An alternative to Cambly.com is VIP Kid, in which you can tutor kids in
China.
China.
China. China. China. China.
China.
China, which pays around $15 to $22 per hour, but they do have a few extra requirements over Cambly. You have to be based in the USA or Canada, and you have to have some sort of bachelor's degree. Lastly, you need some experience with children to qualify. So yeah, a little bit tougher, but there is also more potential to make money. Alright, moving on. Number 2 is becoming a virtual assistant. This job is in super high demand because online businesses are only growing more and more. A virtual assistant helps a business or an individual with tasks that can be completed online. This includes customer service, email management, processing orders, managing social media content, and much more. I recently hired a video editor myself and will be getting virtual assistants in the future as well, so I know there's a demand for it. Make sure you advertise yourself as being good in 1 or 2 things because it will be easier to get hired that way. When I was hiring a video editor, I wanted to see that editing videos was your main thing. If you claim to be good in everything, it may be harder to find a job. You can use job boards like Upwork and Fiverr to get business and advertise yourself. There are a bunch of other ways to do this as well, such as using your network of friends, starting a business social media page to present your skills and whatnot, reaching out to influencers, and much more. But Upwork is a great job board to start on. Number 3 is TikTok. This one may take more time than the last couple to build up if you don't blow up right away, but all you need is a phone and an internet connection to do this. You can post short videos that are less than a minute long, and all it takes is 1 viral video for your life to change. TikTok has changed so many people's lives, including mine. I suggest making videos on stuff you enjoy and or already do. I've been learning about personal finance and business for the past 5 years now, so that's what I talk about. I'm extremely passionate about it. Just make sure you're providing people with value so that they keep coming back for more and more. If you aren't comfortable with showing your face, you can still make money doing this. Think about making a funny meme page where you repost viral videos. Of course, give credit to the creators. Or you can make entertaining gaming videos, business and motivation videos, right? Like anything like that. Basically, you can build a whole page off of editing and reposting other people's content. Just make sure to give them credit. Brands are willing to pay big money on TikTok. With 100,000 followers, you can easily make $1,000 per post, depending on your niche and engagement. With 1 million plus followers, I've heard of people getting paid over $10,000 and up for a single post. Of course, depending on your engagement, and it's absolutely insane. And I can personally confirm that yes, people are getting paid over $10,000 with 1 million followers or more, so it's a great opportunity. TikTok can be a good stepping stone to jump onto other platforms such as YouTube, right? Since you develop a lot of video making and editing skills, which are very critical for YouTube. So kind of going off that, number 4 is starting a YouTube channel. If you want to go even deeper into social media and learn even more about digital marketing, then YouTube might be for you. It is highly competitive, so it'll definitely level up your game when it comes to keeping keeping people engaged, making videos, your editing skills and more, which are all very, very valuable skills to have. Just like with TikTok, all you really need to start on YouTube is your phone and a good internet connection. I know people that are making videos with their iPhones and doing well. And again, you can do this even if you don't want to show your face. There are so many channels that make a bunch of money without showing their faces. There are gaming channels, motivation and business channels, TikTok compilation channels, TV show fan pages and more, which do this all without showing who the person is behind the channel. Okay, so first figure out what kind of channel you want to make and find similar channels and get inspiration from them on what works. If it did well on their channel, it probably will do well on yours too. After you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours, you will be able to start making money through YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so even with just a small amount of success, you can start making good money from ads, brand deals, selling your own products, and affiliate marketing on YouTube. Some of the top YouTubers make millions of dollars just from ad revenue alone. So it's crazy how much you can make. And when it comes to social media, you just need to start posting. Don't worry about other people's opinions, because honestly, most people really don't care. Usually we're all in our head. A lot of people are too busy worrying about themselves. So yeah, just start. Before moving on to the next one, this is just a quick reminder to smash that like button if you're enjoying the video. The next one is selling things on Facebook Marketplace. Over time, we all collect and end up with so many things in our homes, but we don't even use most of them. One of the easiest ways to make money is to sell all of those things.
Mouse Rat CD, $30. Candy bars, $50. $50.
I have sold a bunch of things I didn't need on Facebook Marketplace. It is completely free right now and you can sell locally on there. I sold a couch on there last year, so I'll walk you through the whole process. First, you need to take some good pictures of the item you want to sell. Then you can head on over to Facebook and add the photos, create a title, and then add your description as well as your price. It really is as easy as that, and if you don't sell it, it's all good. You don't lose any money. You can also list on Mercari or eBay if you are able to ship the item out. You can even go thrifting or buy stuff which you can then flip and sell for more on Facebook Marketplace. Like there's a lot you can do. Some people do that full time, so this overall has a lot of potential to make money. The next one you can do if you have a computer and an internet connection is dropshipping. Okay, so dropshipping is a way to sell products without holding any inventory. You sell a product to your customer through your website. You then have your supplier ship that product directly to your customer. You don't touch the product at all, and it can all be done from your computer with an internet connection. I haven't made millions off of doing this, but when I was doing this, I was making a good few $1,000s per month off of this, even though I wasn't spending too much time on it. Some people do make tens of thousands every month from this though, but the truth is, it probably won't make you a millionaire. If someone tells you it will and they try to sell you a course for $500,
you know that's a scam.
Dropshipping is highly competitive since anyone can do it from their computer with basically no money, and the profit margins are also very low, but it still can be done as long as you're willing to put in the hours. If you do want to learn more about it, there is a ton of free stuff that you can find online, and Udemy also has courses for like $20 or so, which are much more affordable and will provide you with pretty much the same info that these more expensive courses would give you. So I highly recommend that. Doing this will also build your skills so that you are able to run a bigger online business in the future and maybe even launch your own product and brand. I'm definitely planning to do that. One of my goals is to build a 7-figure e-commerce brand, so hopefully I'll be able to do that in the near future. Alright, now moving on, another way to run a business where you don't handle inventory is through Amazon FBA. You first have to find a unique product that you can sell through Amazon. This does cost a lot more to start than dropshipping because you do have to buy inventory upfront from a manufacturer. Although you do have to commit to buying the inventory at first, you don't have to store and ship those items because you can ship them just straight to Amazon and they will do all of that for you. Okay, they will handle all the logistics for you. I did this with some earphones, with the lightning connector for the iPhones while I was in college. I found the product through Alibaba and sampled the item. I then told the manufacturer to put my logo on it and ship it directly to Amazon. Okay, I made around $5,000 in profit off of that one product in 1 to 3 months. So with time and commitment, you can make a good bag on the side or even make it a full-time gig, right? I have a lot of friends that are doing this full-time and making a lot of money. One advantage of Amazon FBA to dropshipping is that you already have millions of potential customers through Amazon, so you don't have to advertise your products as much. Keep in mind though that Amazon won't share any customer data with you, so that is a downside that I don't like about Amazon. To close off, I will say that the skills you gain from these online side hustles will be much more valuable than the money you make from them, because over the long term, these skills will come in clutch whether you work for someone or whether you start your own full-time business business. So make sure that you keep learning and trying new things, you know, because everything has its purpose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell besides it, because I post new videos every week. And if you want, go get up to $250 in free Bitcoin with my BlockFi link down below. You can also get free stocks using my other links. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.